You guys able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello. Everyone able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So last class we seen for the correlation, right? What is the correlation, Lata? What is the correlation?
What are values which are generating from server side in dynamic?
Okay, we can for the correlation. What is the manual correlation process?
Manual correlation.
Find the dynamic value. Find the dynamic.
Find dynamic value.
Find the
Left
dynamic
boundary.
value, left bound, right boundary, where to write the function, and substitution. So up to this, everyone is perfect, right? So I will again do for the one more for your understanding point of view correlation. See, I find for the some departure value is a dynamic value. I copy that value and go to the code generation, and you can come to the control home page. Okay, we need to give for the our paste it for the dynamic value, and you can observe this is the dynamic value for you need to copy this. Okay, you can copy this, and now you want where to write the function. So already I told, right, you need to write for the above of the request. Otherwise we have the one more also will be there. So you can click on the dynamic value place cursor and go to here and enter for the web underscore. You can click on this. See, it is showing for the this one, and you can see T4. Actually, this is the T4. You need to write for the above of this request. Got it? So otherwise, we have the one more also option will be there. You can come to here. First, you need to search this, and after so okay, control home. You need to click on control home and search for dynamic value, and you can keep the cursor right for the reg underscore and click on this. Double underscore. So we need to like web is fine, okay, and you are writing for the T4, right? You need to write for the above of the T4, like T4 above is the what is the request T3. So means you need to write the function here. So every time don't go to the notepad and copy that dynamic value. So you can you can do means you can copy the where you are writing the function, you can copy, and you need to like comment means you can give for the double slash, then it is automatically commented. So now you need to write the function. What is the function? Web underscore right underscore save underscore forum, and we have the arguments parameter name comma lb comma rb comma last is one of the argument. See, now you need to give the parameter name. Which value we are doing? Departure, right? You can give for the departure underscore 4. And so LB is equal to, you can give for the LB is equal. And in this double column, we need to give for the RB equal to. So you can observe we have this is the dynamic value. So the left text we can consider as a left boundary. Its right text we can consider as a right boundary. And you can observe here we have the two ways will be there. This is also dynamic value. Maybe you can consider this. This is the left boundary up to this, and this is the right boundary. Okay, you can take anything is fine. Now I am taking for this. Okay, this is the left boundary. I copy the left boundary and keep it for here left boundary, and you can copy this and keep the right boundary. Now what we need to do in double colon place, we need to give for the slash. See, because load runner don't know for that slash. So if you give for the slash only, then you are able to see. Otherwise, you can observe here your script parsing will be failed. It is showing. So you need to give for the slash. Okay, and here also you have one more slash. See, you can observe script parsing is succeeded. Means actually double colon don't know for the load runner, so we are giving for the using for the as symbol. It is the then okay, the script will be work fine. Then final step, what is that? We find the dynamic value and find the dynamic left boundary, right boundary, and we where to write the function also we return function. Now we need to substitute that value for where is dynamic value place. So in dynamic value place, we need to give for the open curly brace and parameter name and close curly brace. You want to replace it like this, and you can save. Now we can execute. Before you need to check for the logs. Every time will be logs should be there, parameter substitution and only. Okay, and after that you can execute this the replay button. See, your script will be executing and your script will be pass. So now you can observe for the output which value you got. See, we did for the departure core value. I think the response we are getting from different. Okay, go here and okay, I think I copied same value, but we need to copy. This is the red boundary, right? So we need to copy only red boundary. Wrong. See, now see, I consider everyone able to hear there, right? Why you guys are very silent? So I've considered this, then this is the left boundary and this is the right boundary. Now we can save it. Again, we'll execute. Suraj, Lata.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are able to hear, right? I'm not saying.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, now we'll check for the boundary. See, departure is equal Denver came. So, but we can observe. So we done correlation and that is fine. But in this drop down, we have the number of values will be there, right? So, but I want for the all values also, I want to capture means you have the one more argument will be there. So what is that argument means? Each and every comment argument we need to give for the comma and the double colon. So what is that argument means? Ordinal. We can call it as a ordinal. So we can give for the ordinal is equal to all means what are the in drop down values will be there. All occurrences you want display means you need to give for the ordinal is equal to all. So what is the ordinal means? Ordinal transfer the occurrence of the dynamic value. When you are given ordinal is equal to all, it become an array and display for the all the occurrence of the dynamic values. So now we can save it and we can run. Now what are the departure city? We have the drop down, all values will be displayed. You can go and see here in output window. See, you can observe departure Denver departure count. We are given ordinal is called, then it is become an array. And what are the occurrences will be there in drop down? What are the values will be there? All values will be displayed. See, 1 Denver, Franklin, and Paris, and 6 Portland, and see, you can observe. So we have the total 20 values will be there. All values will be displayed. Got it? So if you want capture all values means you need to give for the ordinal is equal to all. But I want for the particular city because I want for the only Paris. So Paris is the which one? Which one? Which occurrence? 4 or 5?
5.
5. So for example, you want to Paris, right? So you can go there again and you can give for the ordinal is equal to 5. you can check for the ordinal is equal to 5. Then you are able to capture the particular value or not, you can observe. See, now you can go there and we are able to see this. See, departure is equal to which value it's pick? Paris. Right? So ordinal value 5 is the Paris. So that is why you captured for the Paris. So ordinal is equal to all. What will happen? It will display for the all occurrence of the dynamic value. So for example, we have the Paris will be there, right? So I want to, for example, open notepad. Actually, Paris. Okay, I want only pair. First 3 characters I want. So using the correlation function, how to we can write for the any or the argument means how many characters I want? Only PAR and no need for the IS. Only I want capture pair. Okay. So at this situation, what we need to do means we need to use for the one more argument, comma and double colon. We need to give for the save length. Save length equal. So what is the save length means? It is specify the how many characters supposed to capture. So for example, now how many characters we want to capture? PAR means how many characters?
3.
3 characters. So if you give for the save length is equal to 3, then you can observe you are able to capture pair or not. You can observe. You can click on this. See, now you can go to the here. See which value you got? Pair. You want for the only first two characters also, then we can give for the save length is equal to how much? Save length is equal to how much? I want only 2 characters. Means you can give for the save length is equal to 2. Means if you want how many character you want to capture, then you need to give for the that many characters for the save length. So what is the save length means? It is specify the how many characters supposed to capture. So for example, again you can go to the here and we are given save length equal to 3, then output we got for the pair. But I don't want this pair. Okay, I want only last 2 characters. Then what we can do? Any guess? I don't want pair. I want only IS only I want. What we need to give? So we have the one more argument will be there. That is the save offset. So save offset. So what is the save offset means? It is specify the how many characters you supposed to skip. So for example, you want only is. So before is how many characters will be there?
3.
3. Means how many characters you want to skip? 3 characters. So you can give for the 3. And how many characters you want to capture?
2.
So save length is equal to how much we need to give? 2. Got it? I want to, when you are given save length and save offset, first will work with the save offset. So how many character you want to skip? It will skip for here. And after that, how many character you want to capture? You can give for the save length. Understand? So save length is equal to 3, and we'll give for the one more argument for the save length is equal to 2, and we'll give for the one more argument. So that is the save offset. Save offset equal to. So how many we need to give save offset? 3. Then we will get for the is or not, we can check. See. Script is executing. So now we can come to the output window. Coming to here. and you can observe which value you got is. So you guys understand what is the save length and save offset? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we discuss save length, save offset, and ordinal. And one more argument we have, that is for the not found. So not found nothing but if you not given also not found nothing but if you want for the error. Otherwise you are unable to capturing for the like left bound right bound is keep on doing but is failing, but your script will be continue. Then what you need to write means some not found is a one of the argument. Not found is equal you can give for the warning. So if you not found is equal to warning, you are not given also, by default value not found is equal to error. See, for example, you are giving left bound, right bound is wrong. You are getting some error, right? No match found error you are getting. You are getting or not? Anyone tried?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? So means not found is equal to warning when you are getting means if your left boundary, right boundary is wrong, then you want to continue your script without failure. So you can give for the one more argument, we can call it as a not found. Not found is equal to warning. So by default value, what is that? Error. If you not given also in this argument as a not found, specifically you would not mention also, by default it will pick for the error. So maybe you want for the warning means you can give for the warning. Warning. See, for example, we'll give for the boundaries will be wrong. See, first we'll remove this and we can observe we are getting that error or not, we can observe. Okay. See, first I remove that one and see, for example, I given for the boundaries will be maybe wrong. See, your script will be failed. Okay, your script will be failed. See, you can observe error. No match found the requested parameter departure code. Either specified boundaries are not found. So maybe you are getting this error, but you are trying to execute for this entire script. But what will happen after this only it is failing? Your script will be not executing till end. But okay, I tried many ways, but this is the failing. I want to skip some time. So then I will use for the not found is equal to warning. You can observe here, will give for the not found is equal to warning. See, I given left bound, right boundary or something is wrong, but I given for the not found is equal to warning. Then you can observe here, it will throw on warning, but your script will be continue for till end. See, you can see this, your script will be pass. See, your script will be pass. But you can observe here in output window. See, if you are not able to capture this value, but it is a throw on warning. See, warning, no match found error. But it is continue for the till end. So up to sign off also it is end. So why we are doing for this not found is equal warning means, see, you are doing for correlation, but you are spending more time there only. That is why your time full time is wasting, but you are unable to doing for the remaining dynamic values. So you are keeping everything time you are doing here only means what will happen? Your script will be not complete for the as per our expectation date. So that is why maybe you are unable to doing this correlation. Then you can give for the not found is equal to warning, and you can continue for the your script till end. By default value, what is the not found is equal? What is that value by default? Error, right? So as same to the ordinal is equal to also, if you not given any value also it is capturing some value. So ordinal is equal to 1 is the default value. Ordinal is equal to 1 is the default value. And the save length, save offset and not found. And we have the one more argument, that is we can search. Search is equal to body. See, search is equal to body means this particular LB and RB, it will be there in body, then you can give for the search is equal to body. Maybe it will be there in header, you can give for the HED header. So for example, you can go to the here snapshot view, go to the snapshot view, and you can able to see the headers and these all things. See, you can click on split, otherwise single only. Okay, so you can observe this is the response body. So the particular thing it will be there here, you can take from the body what is the response, otherwise it will take from the headers. So if it is there in particular response, that value in headers, you can give for the one more argument is called search is equal to header or body. If it is there in body, you can give for the body. If it is there in header, you can give for the search is equal to header. So these are the arguments for the correlation function. So what are the arguments we discussed today? So what are the arguments in the web break save param? Parameter name, LB,
RB,
ordinal, save length, save offset, not found, search. So these all will be arguments. If anyone asks for the interview question, what is the correlation function means? What is the correlation function? Web break save param. What are the arguments in that function? So departure, like parameter name, LB, RB, ordinal, save length, save offset, not found, search. So then they will ask for the what is the ordinal. So ordinal transfer the occurrence of the dynamic value. When you are given ordinal is equal to all, it become an array and display for the all the occurrence of the dynamic value. So means how many values will be there in drop down, all values will be displayed when you are given ordinal is equal to all. Otherwise, you want for the particular occurrence, you can give for the ordinal is equal to 3, ordinal is equal to 4, you can give for like this. And going to the save length, you want to capture specific first 3 characters or first 4 characters you want capture means you can use for the save length. So what is the save length means? It is specify the how many characters is supposed to capture. Save offset means it specify the how many characters is supposed to skip. When you are given save length a save offset, first will work with the save offset, then it will work with the save length and not found and search. So these are the arguments. Got it, everyone?
yes.
So today class up to this only. You guys also practice like this. Ordinal you can try and save length, save offset, and not found and search. You can try this, and you need to practice how I did right today. You can practice same, and tomorrow we'll see for the different. Okay. Is it fine? And same to I will give for the one more URL for you guys. 1 minute, let me check. Already I given pet store application. So this is the pet store application. So you guys will be launch the pet store application and click on sign in. I think sign in details. Yeah, go to the see J2W only username password. You can log in. So its login is successfully. After that, you can click on for the any other pet fish, and after that you can these are the different type of fishes. You can select any one of the product, and after that you can add to cart and proceed to checkout. And click on these are the details. Click on continue. See your confirm. You can confirm the details. You can confirm. You can click on confirm, and again it will ask for a see. We are actually book the some one pet. Okay. For after that you need to sign out. So this is the scenario. You need to record this scenario and do for the scripting. You can do for the correlation and parameterization. So this is the today assignment. I will share this. Everyone can copy and keep it your okay and do for the scripting. I am sharing chat window. Everyone copy. And username, I will give for the username password also. Username J2WE and the password also J2WE. Please copy this too and use it. Okay. Suraj, Lata, please take this. Lata,
Yes, sir.
please take. And okay, business flow, you guys understand or not that pest store one? Can I show again, Lata?
Yes, sir.
See, once we can launch the application, okay, you are able to see this launch, and after that click on sign in button, and username password will be J2WE only. Okay, see, its login is completed. After that you can select any one of the pet. You have different pets, you can select anything. You can select cat also, no problem. And after that, these are all the available products for the cats. You can select this and click on add to cart and proceed to checkout. Means you are buying this product. So these are the details of the payment details, and click on continue, and you can confirm this. See, your product will be you buy successfully. Then finally we want to return to main home, means you can give for the return to main home and you can sign off. This is the business flow. You can record and do for the correlation and parameterization also. Okay, only one application you are doing is you are not good. So that is why I given different URL. In this URL, you need to identify the dynamic values, and you need to identify the what are the mandated to the parameterization. You need to identify, and you can do for the scripting. Is that fine?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you for joining, everyone. We'll meet for tomorrow also same time. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Yeah, bye.